In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in the header of your WordPress site. Whether you're starting fresh with a new website or simply refreshing your brand's visual identity, updating your logo is a straightforward process that can help maintain a consistent and professional look across your site. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the central hub of your website where you can make all your edits and customizations. Once you're logged in, look for the website editor option on the side menu and click on it. This will take you to an interface where you can manage the design elements of your site. Next, find and click on the Edit Site button. This will open up your site in an editing mode, allowing you to make visual changes without affecting the live version until you're ready. Now, look for the header section, which is usually at the top of your page. Here, you'll see your current logo. Click on it to highlight the logo element. This action will typically open up options on the right side or in a menu where you can edit or replace the logo. Now that you have the logo selected, you'll have two options. If you've previously uploaded your new logo to the media library, click on Images to browse your existing files. Select the new logo from your library and see it applied immediately to the header area. But if your new logo is still on your computer, don't worry. You will start by clicking Upload Files. This option allows you to select a file from your computer to upload directly to your WordPress media library. Once you click Upload Files, you will see an option called Select Files. Click on it and browse through your computer files to locate the logo image you want to use. After selecting the file, it will begin uploading to your site, and once the upload completes, you'll see the new logo displayed in the header section, giving your site a fresh new look. Now that the new logo is in place, it's vital to save your changes to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Look for the Save button, usually found at the top right corner of your screen, and click it. Once you've done this, your changes will go live, and you'll be able to view the updated logo on your site as your visitors will see it. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully change your WordPress header logo with ease. This process not only reinforces your brand identity, but also contributes to a cohesive design across your website. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.